Yes, see students. So this session is we will continue the exercise 9.3. So this lesson is chapter money. Okay. Yes. See here. Exercise 9.3. Yes. Students, first they can be given here. Convert the following into paise. Yes, so they can be given here rupees form. Yes, we will do convert in paise form. Okay, so for example, first one rupees 3. Okay, so we'll convert here 3 rupees means in paise 300 paise. Okay, yes. Second one rupees 7. Okay, so here 700 paise. Next one, third one 8 rupees 8. Okay, so here 800 paise. Next, so I'll do next one, ninth one I'll do here. Okay, 7 point, it means rupees 7.75 paise. So okay, here see we'll write rupees 7 rupees 75 paise. How we will write here? See 775 paise. Okay, understood this one how to do? Yes, same way here 9 rupees 950. Okay, it means 9 rupees 50 paise. 950 paise. Yes, how to convert, you know that is. Okay, so already I showed you in first session. Okay, yes, so this is this session, this is a first main, that is converting means following into paise to rupees to paise. Okay, so next main they can be given here, fill in the blanks. What they can be given here? Fill in the blanks. So in this main, that is in exercise 9.3 only. Okay, so fill in the blanks they can be mentioned here. So here see, first one they can given here, second main fill in the blanks. So rupee bar paise. Here I'll write paise. Okay, so in this rupee and paise, so in this rupee column, first one I'll write as 1 rupee. So this is a first column, I'll write as 1 rupee. And here see, here this 1 rupee is converting into paise. Okay, so 1 rupee is equal to how many paises? So 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, second one 5 rupee. Yes, 5 rupee is equal to 5 into 100 is equal to 500 paise. Okay, so we convert to paise form 500 paise. Okay, next one, that is fourth one I'll do here, 1 rupee 75 paise. So we write in this column in paise form 175 paise. Understood? So this rupee first we will be converting paise form. After this paise we will be add. So we can get answer is 175 paise. Okay. Next one, that is I'll write here eighth one, 8 rupees 50 paise. Okay, so we converting here 850 paise. Understood this one? 8 rupees is there, no? This 8 rupees will be convert in first paise form. Okay, after converting paise form, this paise and this paise we will add here, so we can get answer 850 paise. Okay, this is the second main, remaining are there, so you do yourselves. Okay, so next main, that is yes, next we are going as, that is addition and subtraction of money. Addition and subtraction of money. So first we can understanding how to add and subtract of rupees and paises. Okay. So first example they can given here. First example, that is add rupees, add 26 rupees, 40 paise and 31 rupees, 20 paise. Okay, first we will be write down these all in the column. First we will write here rupees column. Okay, so this is paise column. Okay, so first we will be write down first one, how much they can given here, 26 rupees. Rupees column we will write as 26. Okay, in 40 paise column this is. Okay, this is first column, and next column 31 rupee plus 20 paise. So both we will be add now. Okay, so answer what we will get, will write here. Okay, so answer. So first we will be add these two. First what we will do, first paise to paise we will be count. Okay, paise to paise first we will be add, after rupees to rupees we will add. First paise to paise, here see 0 plus 0 is 0 here. 4 plus 2 is how much, 6, 60. Okay, and here see 6 plus 1 is 7, 3 plus 2 is 5. So answer is, how much we can get answer, 57 rupees, 57 60 paise we can get answer. Okay, understood this one? Same method, another one example I'll do here. So that is 42, directly I'll write here 4260 and rupees 36, directly 36 rupees. First what we will write here, see, so I didn't write here, didn't mention in a rupees and paise, but we only keep in mind this is a rupees column, this is paise column. Okay, so first what we will do here, paise, first we will be add here 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 0 is how much, 6 plus 0 is 6. Okay, next, so first put a 1 point here. Okay, so after we'll that start a rupees column. 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay, 4 plus 3 is 7. Rupees, total amount is how much is there, rupees 2860 paise. Understood? It means 28 rupees 60 paise. Okay, 78 rupees 60 paise. Understood this one? Okay, so same way these are the, it means whatever they can be given here money, so we will be add the total, and first we will add paise to paise, after we will add rupees to rupees. Okay, we can get answer. Next we are going, that is subtraction of money. Okay, what they can given here, subtract 21 rupee 30 paise, 35 paise from 64 rupee 80 paise. Okay, first we will be subtract here, first rupee, what will write here, 21 rupees 30 paise from 64 rupees 80 paise. First I'll write here, column will write here, first rupees column, then paise column. Okay, first rupees column we will write, how much we will write from there, that's a big number, 64, 80, here 21, 30. Okay, first we will write these like this, then we will subtract. Okay, so here see 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 3, 5. Okay, next 4 minus 1, 3, 6 minus 2, 4. So answer is 43 rupees 50 paise. Yes, we can get answer is 43 rupees 50 paise, or otherwise rupees 43 50 paise. First what we will do? Paise. In paise column first we will be subtract, then in rupees column. So how we will be add the same method here, subtract. Okay. Yes. So another one example I'll show you. See. So rupees 80 directly I'll write in here, 75. Then next rupees 35, 60. Okay. So now we will be subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. So dot as it is will write here. 10 minus 5. Here see students. Here 0 is there. So here 5 is there. So 0 is smaller. Okay. 5 is bigger. So what we will do is it can't to subtract here. So what we will do? So here, so this 1 off we can take from. So this 1. This is 8 is there. No. So 1 off number will be take from that side. Okay. So it will become as 7. So it will become as 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. So answer is rupees 45 15 paise. Understood? So this is a borrow method already you learned. Yes. So you can remember that one. So this is how much rupees we can get? 45 rupees 15 paise. Okay. Yes, students, they can given here, observe the given articles and their prices. Okay, so they can given here some of the articles and their prices. Okay, yes, see. First, what they can given here? So, first they can given here pencil price. Pencil price is rupees 2. Okay, the next one, what they can given here? Notebook. Notebook price is rupees 18.25 paise. Next, color pencil. Color pencil. Rupees 13.75 paise. Next, doll. Rupees 40. Ink. Ink pot. Okay. So here rupees 20.50 paise. The next they can given here pen. Pen price is rupees 25.50 paise. Okay, so here see students, so observe these of the what it is, these of the things what are there and their prices. Okay, so first we will be add. How means which are the things we will add? They can mention here total price of one pencil. One pencil price is rupees 2 and there with notebook. Okay, so notebook price is how much? 18.25 paise. Okay, so now we will add. So write in rupees column. So I didn't mention here. So remember these all are paise column. So these all are rupees column. Okay, so here see we will add here now. Okay, so here 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. So give a carry 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So rupees total price is one of pencil and one of notebook total price is how much is there? 20 rupees 25 paise. Okay, same way next they can given here one ink bottle. Ink bottle price is rupees 20.50 paise. The next one and one notebook. So same as notebook price is how much they can given here? 18 rupees 25 paise. Okay, so add now. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. So total price of ink bottle and notebook. Okay, ink bottle and notebook total price is how much they can given here? Rupees 38.75. Likewise, we will be take other things, means in these 6 only. In these 6 only we can take other things and add. Two things we will take and add, can get answer. Different answers will be get. Okay, so different answers means how much they can be priced, that answer only. Adding of those things, so we can get an answer. Okay, understood this one? Yes. Next students, so we are going as here verbal problems. Verbal problems means here we can calling as word problem or as statement problem. Yes, yes. So here see first they can be given here. So Mary bought, first example I'll write here. Example first, Mary bought one pen for rupees 10.25 and one notebook for rupees 18.25. Okay, so how much money did she spend to buy the pen and notebook? Yes, so we will be find out. What we will be find now? So total of how much money she spent to total pen and one notebook, how much she spent. Okay, so first I'll write here, see. So answer, amount spent to buy a pen is equal to how much rupees? 1 rupee, one pen for rupees 10.25. Okay, next one, amount spent to buy a notebook. How much she spent here? Rupees 18.25. Okay, so what we will write here? So first we will add these two. 5 plus 5, 10. You carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. 0 plus 8, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. Yes. Rupees 28.50. So that is total spent amount. Total spent amount is, or as amount spent, so that is rupees 28.50. Understood students? So like see here first. So Mary bought one pen rupees for how much rupees? 10 rupee 25 paise, and one notebook price is how much they can given here? So 18 rupees 25 paise. Okay, so total how much money she spent to buy one pen and one notebook. Okay, so here see amount to buy a one pen is rupees 10.25 paise, and here amount to spend to buy a one notebook is rupees 18.25 paise. So add these two, total we can get answer how much money she spent to buy one notebook and one pen. Okay, total amount is rupees 28.50. Understood? Okay, see here like these problems. So another one problems they can be given here. So this is that means addition problem you solve. No? So now we will solve the subtraction problem, same as that is the verbal problem. Yes, see, that is next addition. Next problem. Raju has rupees 85 50 paise. He spent rupees 25 20 out of it to buy a ball. How much money is remaining with Raju? How much money is remaining with Raju? Okay, so total amount he has, who's that one? Raju total amount has 85 rupees 50 paise and he spent rupees 25 and 20 paise to buy a ball. Okay, so remaining how much money he has? So here see, money Raju had. How much money he had? Rupees 85 50 paise. Okay, and money spent to buy a ball, rupees 25 20. So now we will subtract. Okay, so in out of 85 we will be subtract 25 rupees. 0 plus 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, so 5 minus 5 is 0, 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, so out of 85 rupees 50 paise he has, it means his remained amount, money remained with Raju. Raju is how much? Rupees 60 30 paise. Understood? So we will subtract total amount to one ball price. Okay, so we can get answer is rupees 60 30 paise. Understood? Yes. So okay, see here students, next we are going as the yes students. Okay, I hope you understood up to from here the addition and subtraction of these verbal problems. So tomorrow we will continue the exercise, that is 9.4. Thank you.